Hi, this is Future Math Lab. Welcome back to the final boss of our series, Level 3. Today, we face a true monster, 100 factorial. This tiny symbol, factorial, is a command to multiply every number from 100 all the way down to 1. The result? A giant 158-digit number bigger than the total atoms in the entire universe. Today, we aren't just calculating, we are investigating a mystery. Exactly how many zeros are at the end of this monster? To defeat this giant, we need a special weapon, the Gauss Symbol, or what I call the guardian of integers. Its rule is simple. It catches only the integer part and discards the decimals. For example, floor of 3.1 becomes 3, and floor of 5.7 becomes 5. This weapon allows us to count multiples perfectly, helping us see the hidden structure within any range. Now, how do we find hidden prime numbers inside this giant? Meet Legendre's formula. Let's look at 10 factorial as a practice. How many 2's are hidden here? We count in layers. First layer, count multiples of 2. That's floor of 10 over 2 equals 5. We take 1 2 from each. Second layer, but numbers like 4 and 8 are greedy. They hide extra 2's. So we divide by 4 to pull out the second 2. That's 2 more. Third layer, finally, 8 has one last 2 hidden deep inside. So floor of 10 over 8 equals 1. Total 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8. This stacking logic is the only way to see the invisible DNA of any factorial. In general, the exponent of the prime p in n factorial is given by the sum from I equals 1 to infinity of the 4 of n over p to the power of I. Just keep the principle in mind and use the formula as a reference. Back to our mission. Zeros in 100 factorial. A 0 is made when a 2 meets a 5 to make a 10. Think of it as a burger factory. 2's are buns and 5's are patties. Inside 100 factorial, 2's are everywhere. Every even number has at least 1. We have 97 buns. But 5's are rare. We only have 24 patties. Since we can only make as many burgers as we have patties, the number of zeros is determined solely by the rare one, the 5's. Let's break down the formula shown here to get a better grasp of it. First, count multiples of 5. Floor of 100 over 5 equals 20. Next, count the extra 5's in the multiples of 25. Floor of 100 over 25 equals 4. Total, 20 plus 4 equals 24. Without a single long calculation, we've proven that 100 factorial ends with exactly 24 zeros. Case closed. Amazing, right? This logic isn't just for fun. It's the core of modern cryptography that protects your data every day. Math is the most powerful tool to find patterns in chaos. If you conquered this monster with me, please subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next series with even more mathematical mysteries. This was Future Math Lab. Keep exploring. Thank you and have a good day.